How to run a travel business at home. Running a travel business at home can be a convenient and flexible option. Here's how you can set up a travel business from the comfort of your home. 1. Choose your niche. Decide on the specific area of the travel industry you want to focus on, such as booking flights, organizing tours, or providing travel consultation. 2. Create a home office. Set up a dedicated workspace in your home where you can handle your business tasks. 3. Legal considerations. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses or permits required for operating a home-based business in your area. 4. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your services, target audience, marketing strategies, and financial projections. 5. Build an online presence. Create a professional website to showcase your services and offerings. Utilize social media platforms to promote your business and engage with potential clients. 6. Technology and tools. Invest in travel booking software or platforms that allows you to research and book flights, accommodations, and other travel services for your clients. 7. Supplier relationships. Establish relationships with travel suppliers, such as airlines, hotels, and tour operators. Negotiate deals and partnerships that will benefit your business and clients. 8. Marketing strategies. Develop a digital marketing strategy that includes social media marketing, email campaigns, and possibly a blog to share travel tips and insights. 9. Networking. Attend virtual travel industry events and webinars to connect with other professionals and stay updated on industry trends. 10. Client communication. Use email, phone calls, and video conferencing to communicate with clients and provide them with travel options and recommendations. 11. Customer service. Offer personalized customer service to meet the unique needs of each client. Be responsive to inquiries and provide timely assistance. 12. Time management. Establish a schedule that balances your work responsibilities with personal life. Set boundaries to avoid overworking or burnout. 13. Record keeping. Keep accurate records of bookings, client information, and financial transactions. 14. Continues learning. Stay informed about travel trends, destination information, and any Shenzhen travel regulations. Running a travel business from home requires effective organization, strong communication skills, and a passion for travel. Keep in mind that even though you're working from home, professionalism and dedication are crucial for building a successful business. Inquire JoyTrip for the full package.